Boost your protein intake with this incredible seed. Imagine a way to easily add more protein to virtually any dish. Well, there is one: sunflower seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with around 6 grams of protein per ounce, along with fiber, healthy fats, vitamin E, and essential minerals like selenium and magnesium. Sunflower seeds are incredibly versatile. You can use them in place of pine nuts when making pesto, blend them into overnight oats, or take them on the go. Plus, they provide amino acids and micronutrients that support overall health in ways that processed supplements simply can't match. Sprinkle them over a salad for extra crunch and a nutty flavor, or pulse them into energy bars. They're also one of the most affordable high-protein foods, making them accessible to cooks on any budget. Their long shelf life means they're always within reach when you want to boost the protein content of a meal. In baking, sunflower seeds often appear in rustic breads, adding a rich, earthy note beneath the crust. They're also great for making creative gluten-free seed crackers and spreads, blending smoothly into hummus or sunflower seed butter, a nut-free alternative for sandwiches and sauces. But here's where it gets fascinating. Sunflower seeds have a rich cultural history. They were first cultivated by indigenous peoples of North America over 4,500 years ago and held spiritual significance. In traditional Mexican cuisine, they play a role similar to pumpkin seeds, used whole or ground in dressings, mole sauces, and seasoning blends. European colonists brought sunflowers back to Europe in the 16th century, where they found new roles in agriculture and cuisine. Today, Russia and Ukraine produce the majority of the world's sunflower seeds, which feature in breads and pastries, much like poppy seeds. Across Middle Eastern and Eastern European cuisines, sunflower seeds are used in pilafs, sprinkled over soups or as a crispy coating. They taste delicious, toasted and tossed with various spices from around the globe. If you're looking to increase the protein content of pasta salad, a scoop of toasted sunflower seeds is perfect. Sunflower seeds are also used to feed livestock and have industrial applications, such as in bioplastics and surfactants. In the US, they're a key subsidized agricultural crop grown mainly for oil, and are a fixture at baseball games and in seed mixes for pollinator gardens. One trend that has gained traction recently is seed cycling. Some nutritionists recommend sunflower seeds during the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle, citing their vitamin E and selenium content as supportive for progesterone production and hormone balance. While research on seed cycling remains limited, the nutritional profile of sunflower seeds is well established, and their selenium is essential for healthy liver function and hormone metabolism. In every form, whether sprinkled on a salad, pressed for oil, or supporting wellness, sunflower seeds prove themselves both humble and indispensable. So what do you think? Are sunflower seeds an underrated superfood? Let us know in the comments.